My name is Greg Wellborn. I'm one of the principals here at First Financial Consulting. Today, I'd like to provide some insights on how we help our clients with their taxes. We've all heard the old saying, there are only two things in life that are certain, death and taxes. Well, it's wrong. You see, taxes are anything but certain, at least in the sense that what you're going to have to pay is some foregone conclusion over which you have no control. You'd be surprised, in fact, how much control you have. You see, the tax code is overly complex. Complex in the different ways that income is treated, complex in the different ways that deductions are determined. You know, it's not a joke. In fact, it's probably the tagline of a bad joke. But if you call the IRS office, you get an agent, you ask them a question, you get an opinion, and you wait a day or two, you call that same office, but you get a different agent and ask them the same question, you're liable to get a different answer. It's one of the reasons that the IRS says that their opinions aren't binding. There's a lot of gray area in the tax code, a lot of areas where interpretation is much more important than the letter of the law per se. And it's within those interpretations that we have flexibility, that you do have the ability to manage the code. Depending upon your circumstances, you might be able to significantly reduce your income tax liability. Now, we don't provide the actual tax return. We don't write it, we don't strike it, we don't prepare it. That's what CPAs do. There are plenty of good CPAs that do that. But what we do is come alongside you and plan that, try to manage that future tax, what it's going to be. We look at your income that you're earning, how you're earning it. We look at the deductions, how they're structured, and more importantly, the deductions that you may not be taking. You see, two people who earn the same income level, have the same living expenses, might actually not pay the same income tax rate. Taxes are indeed manageable. And over the long term, even small reductions in the taxes that you pay will have significant impact on your financial future, on your financial success. Tax planning is just another way that we help our clients. We look forward to working with you, and as always, we're here to provide the objective advice that you can trust.